Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about set duration to show the text box on TikTok. The text to speech for your video is spoken. For your video is spoken at the start of your clip. However, the text box remains optionally. You can set the duration for the amount of time the text box displays. For the amount of time the text box displays. Number 1, tap the text box and pick set duration in the pop-up menu. Number 2, use the slider at the bottom. To adjust how long the text displays. To adjust how long the text displays. Most likely you will track from right to left to shorten. The time after the narration plays. Number 3, optionally tap the play button To see a preview, and adjust the duration and adjust the duration if needed. Number 4, tap the check mark to apply the change. Tap the check mark to apply the change. Apply the change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.